These are the birds. This is their week 2 now. They are week 2, weighing uh 510 gram at 2 weeks. These are the birds. You can see they are doing well. They are becoming birds now. You see, that is why when you buy day chicks, they will tell you that you only buy live and feathers. It is the feed and medications that will make them to become birds. Out of 5,100 that we stock, we still have 550, 5,050. We lost only 50 at week 2. You can see they are here. They just eating. They just finished eating now. Just finished eating.